Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to clone any voice in 2025 using AI. Whether you want to replicate your own voice or create realistic voiceovers, this guide will show you the best method. Let's get started. Sheshta 1. Choose a voice cloning tool. There are several AI-powered tools available, including 11 Labs, high-quality, realistic voice cloning, Resemble AI, custom voice models with API access, iMyPhone Magic Mic, simple and quick voice cloning. Tact 2. Upload or record your voice. Most tools require at least 30 seconds to 1 minute of clear audio. Use a high-quality microphone to capture the best sound. Upload the sample to the AI tool and let it analyze your voice. 3. Train the AI model. The AI will process your voice data and create a digital clone. Some tools allow manual fine-tuning for better accuracy. This step can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the platform. Tact 4. Generate speech with your cloned voice. Type any text and the AI will read it in the cloned voice. Adjust settings like tone, pitch, and speed for natural delivery. Export the audio file for use in videos, podcasts, or other projects. 5. Ensure ethical and legal use. Always get permission before cloning someone else's voice. Check local laws to avoid legal issues related to AI-generated voices. That's it. Now you know how to clone any voice using AI in 2025. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. See you in the next one.